Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Thank You I'm Sorry Tell Me More is probably one of the most intriguing and thought-provoking products to hit the market recently, offering a unique approach to communication and self-reflection that has captivated a wide audience seeking deeper connections and understanding in their relationships and personal lives. Number 5. 23andMe Health Plus Ancestry Service DNA Test Kit. Discover a more complete picture of your health and explore your origins with our at-home DNA test kit. Get over 100 personalized genetic insights. Understand how your DNA may affect your chances of developing certain health conditions and optimize your wellness with personalized reports. Learn if you are a carrier for genetic variants linked to inherited health conditions, helping you make informed decisions for your future family. Collecting your DNA is easy and painless with our simple saliva kit. Just spit in the tube, mail it back, and receive your reports in 4 to 5 weeks. Your genetic information is encrypted, protected, and always under your control. We prioritize your privacy and security. Gain actionable, science-backed insights to take proactive control of your health journey and explore your unique genetic makeup. What we like. This service offers comprehensive genetic insights, including FDA-authorized health reports and carrier status information. If you're looking to proactively manage your health and understand your genetic predispositions, this is the choice for you. It's ideal for those who want actionable data to take control of their well-being and explore their family history. What people say. 23 provides FDA-approved reports on your risk of 9 medical conditions, including Alzheimer's, plus several genetic carrier reports. Their discussion explanation of your risks for these conditions is specifically approved by the FDA and is understandable, informative, and useful. The analysis process itself took about 10 days, including a holiday weekend. Total wait time was 3 to 4 weeks. 23 identified 4 second cousins and about 32 third cousins. 23 also has cousins outside the USA, in my case in the UK, which are really valuable contacts for ancestry searching. Number 4. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 15-pack. Elevate your daily routine with our aromatherapy shower steamers. Experience a spa-like atmosphere right in your own bathroom. Unwind and de-stress with the power of natural essential oils. These steamers are designed to melt away tension and promote relaxation. Find relief from congestion with our invigorating eucalyptus and menthol blend. It helps to open up airways for easier breathing. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These make wonderful presents for birthdays, holidays, or just to show someone you care. Indulge in a moment of self-care without any hassle. Simply place one in your shower and let the soothing aromas do the work. Immerse yourself in a calming aromatherapy experience. Each steamer releases a delightful fragrance to enhance your mood and well-being. What we like. Transform your shower into a spa-like sanctuary with these aromatherapy steamers. If you're seeking a simple yet effective way to unwind after a long day or clear your sinuses, these are perfect. They are designed for anyone who enjoys a relaxing self-care ritual and wants to alleviate stress and congestion. What people say. The product is very effective and easy to use. I love the design of this product, it's very sleek and modern. The features are amazing, it has everything I need and more. Number 3. SinMan Sorry and Forgive Me Teddy Bear Couple Gift. Looking for the perfect way to say sorry? This adorable teddy bear is designed to bring a smile to your loved one's face and help you start that important conversation. Made with super soft, fluffy fur, this brown teddy bear is incredibly cuddly. It's full of character with a friendly face, making it an excellent companion. This charming bear stands 13 inches tall, with a 10-inch sitting size. It's the perfect size to display or cuddle. It comes with a mini t-shirt that's easily removable and washable. This adds a fun, customizable touch to your gift. Whether you need a sorry gift for her or him, this teddy bear is an excellent choice. It's a thoughtful way to express your feelings. We stand by the quality and value of our products. If you have any concerns with your order, please contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. This adorable teddy bear offers a light-hearted way to say sorry and break the ice. If you're looking for a unique and memorable gift to mend a misunderstanding, this is it. It's perfect for those who appreciate a touch of humor and want to express their remorse in a charming, cuddly package. What people say. I'm so happy the satisfaction that this bear gave me when I saw him sitting there on the kitchen table once after my girlfriend opened up the box that I delivered to her. She was so happy, she thought it was so cute and cuddly and also humorous. Thanks for the good laugh. Without this bear I don't think I'd be in a relationship right now. Husband was in big trouble. The bear did not let him off the hook, but it did soften the blow a little. Number 2. A Man Called Ove, a novel. Discover the heartwarming and humorous story of a grumpy old man with a surprisingly big heart. This novel will make you laugh, cry, and believe in the power of connection. Meet Ove, a man who seems to have it all figured out, but beneath his curmudgeonly exterior lies a deep capacity for love and loyalty. His life takes an unexpected turn when new neighbors move in. Watch as Ove's carefully curated world is turned upside down by a boisterous young family. Their persistent presence challenges his routines and slowly breaks down his defenses. This novel beautifully explores themes of love, loss, and the enduring impact one person can have on the lives of others. It's a poignant reminder that everyone has a story. A Man Called Ove has captured the hearts of readers worldwide with its unforgettable characters and touching narrative. Prepare to be moved by this exceptional tale. What we like. This novel delivers a deeply moving and often humorous tale about connection and finding joy in unexpected places. If you appreciate character-driven stories with emotional depth and a touch of wit, you'll love this. It's ideal for readers who enjoy narratives that explore the complexities of human relationships and personal growth. What people say. The book had a good balance of humor and pathos as it passed through Ove's life. The writing style made it easy to follow the alternating timelines in the chapters. This is a sunny and hopeful book. It combines hilarity and poignancy in a marvelous cocktail of emotional reading. Number 1. Anxious People, a novel. Discover a heartwarming and hilarious story about human connection. It explores the complexities of life through a unique and unforgettable cast of characters. This novel delves into the unexpected ways people come together. It's a tale that will make you laugh, cry, and reflect on your own relationships. Experience a perfect blend of witty humor and profound emotional depth. You'll find yourself drawn into a world that feels both absurd and deeply relatable. Meet a group of strangers brought together by a bizarre situation. Their individual struggles and shared experiences form the core of this captivating narrative. If you're looking for a book that offers both entertainment and insight, this is it. It's a story that stays with you long after you've turned the final page. What we like. This book presents a delightful ensemble of eccentric characters navigating a series of chaotic yet heartwarming events. If you're in the mood for a story that blends laugh-out-loud humor with profound insights into human nature and forgiveness, this is your pick. It's perfect for those who enjoy unconventional narratives and stories about finding connection amidst absurdity. What people say. Fredrik Backman is one of the most gifted contemporary Swedish storytellers, and he is widely known for his novel, A Man Called Ove, which has been adapted into a film by Hannes Holm, starring the veteran actor, Rolf Lassgård as the grumpy, borderline misanthropist, Ove. Backman uses the crime element as a facade to tackle several universal and amaranthan themes such as depression, suicide, what it really means to grow up, how hard it is for the average man to meet the standards that the postmodern society set in order to distinguish the successful from the failure, and many others. The story sets off when a first-time bank robber chooses to storm into a cashless bank to get the limited amount of 6,500 Swedish kroner. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.